Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best electric vacuum pumps for brakes that are available on the market for their true quality. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. At number 5, we have the budget-friendly option, the QRY-DWQ electric brake vacuum pump. This pump is perfect for those on a tight budget, but still in need of a reliable product to improve their braking performance. Despite its low price of $45.99, this pump delivers a surprisingly strong suction force and can pump the vacuum degree in a 2-liter bottle to above 0.90 in just 10 seconds. It's lightweight, compact, and designed to enhance braking performance for vehicles with insufficient engine vacuum. The build quality of this pump is modest but functional. Made using corrosion-resistant materials, it's designed to last longer without requiring maintenance. It operates silently thanks to its high-quality components and unique craftsmanship, making it a great choice for those who dislike the noise associated with some other pumps in this price range. However, it does have limitations, such as its inability to operate continuously for more than 60 seconds at a time, which might make it less suitable for heavy-duty or prolonged applications. In terms of value, the QRY-DWQ pump is ideal for light-duty use and budget-conscious buyers who want a simple, maintenance-free solution. While it can't compete with the higher-end models in terms of durability or advanced features, it's a great starting point for occasional use. Pros: affordable price, silent operation, and maintenance-free design. Cons: limited continuous operation time and less robust build quality. Coming in at number 4 is the maXpeedingrods 28146 electric vacuum pump kit. Priced at $188.99, this pump is a solid mid-range option for those looking for reliable performance without breaking the bank. The pump is designed to operate intermittently, automatically cycling on and off to maintain a vacuum range of 18 to 22 inches, making it perfect for vehicles with low vacuum at idle, such as those with supercharged, turbocharged, or large cam engines. The build quality is sturdy, and the pump includes all necessary mounting hardware for an easy installation process. It's also designed with noise reduction in mind, as it only operates when needed, ensuring quieter operation compared to some of its competitors. However, the pump's efficiency could be improved. While it provides adequate performance for most users, its suction power and longevity don't quite match the higher-end models on this list. This is an excellent option for users who need a reliable pump for moderate use. It's easy to install, works efficiently for most braking systems, and is backed by solid customer support from maXpeedingrods. Pros: decent performance, quiet operation, and a reasonable price. Cons: slightly heavier design and not as efficient as premium options. At number 3, we have the Lead Brakes VP01B electric vacuum pump kit from the Black Bandit series. This premium option is priced at $380 and is a fantastic choice for those who prioritize quality and performance. It's designed to be 60% quieter and 30% more efficient than traditional vacuum pumps, making it an ideal pick for users who want a high-performance solution without the noise. The build quality is exceptional, with a sleek black exterior and robust materials that ensure long-lasting durability. It's pre-wired and tested on the assembly line for a hassle-free installation process, saving you time and effort. The pump operates efficiently, cycling on and off to maintain an optimal vacuum level, which is particularly useful for vehicles with engines that produce insufficient vacuum at idle. While this pump is on the pricier side, its advanced features and reliability make it a worthwhile investment for serious car enthusiasts and professionals. It's best suited for high-performance vehicles or those with heavy braking demands. Pros: superior noise reduction, high efficiency, and premium build quality. Cons: higher price and heavier design compared to budget options. In second place, we have the T-Master 12-volt brake booster vacuum pump kit, priced at $198. This pump strikes an excellent balance between affordability and performance, making it a top choice for many users. It's capable of maintaining a vacuum range between 18 and 25 inches, which is ideal for vehicles with low vacuum at idle. The pump is particularly effective for supercharged, turbocharged, or big cam engines, solving the common issue of hard brake pedals. The T-Master pump is designed with a rotary vane style, making it 60% quieter and 30% more efficient than traditional piston-style pumps. Its compact size allows for flexible mounting options, whether under the hood or inside the car. The pump comes pre-wired and tested, ensuring a quick and easy installation process. However, attention to detail during installation is critical, as any leakage can reduce the pump's efficiency and lifespan. Overall, this pump offers great value for its price. It's quieter, more efficient, and easier to install compared to other options in its price range. Pros: excellent noise reduction, high efficiency, and easy installation. Cons: requires careful installation to avoid leaks. Finally, at number 1, we have the Lead Brakes Chrome Bandit Series VP001C Electric Vacuum Pump Kit. At $386.09, this is the premium choice for those who demand the absolute best in performance, durability, and aesthetics. Like its Black Bandit counterpart, this pump is 60% quieter and 30% more efficient than traditional models. But it also features a stunning chrome finish that adds a touch of luxury to your vehicle. Build quality is outstanding, with durable materials and meticulous assembly ensuring longevity and reliability. The pump is pre-wired and tested for an easy installation process and operates seamlessly to maintain optimal vacuum levels. Its efficiency, quiet operation, and sleek design make it a top choice for high-performance vehicles or those with demanding braking systems. While this pump comes with a premium price tag, its superior performance and aesthetics make it worth every penny for serious car enthusiasts. Pros: top-tier performance, quiet operation, and premium design. Cons: high price and slightly heavier build. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.